Wait, are we going in height order?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well, I'm first.
No, actually, I think I'm first.
Wait, how tall are you?
I'm 4'11".
No way, you are not 4'11". She's not 4'11". You're like 5'3". 5'3" minimum, maybe 5'4".
But you're taller than me.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm literally shorter than you.
No, I'm 4'11".
Okay, stand up. No, literally just stand up right now.
All right.
Yeah, you're wrong. Have you gone to the doctor recently?
No?
Yeah, I went last week and he said I was 5 foot. She's literally not. She's literally taller than me. Oh, I'm the smallest one. I'm the smallest one.
Are you okay?
No, it's fine. It's just nobody listens to what I say and no one ever believes me. So whatever. Just go against me.
It doesn't even matter.
Well, then why are you guys making such a big deal out of it?
That's what you're doing.
I'm not! I'm making a big deal because you guys were. I'm always at the front of the line. I'm the baby. I'm the baby of the group.